This video is going to cover the basics of how to use announcements for schools. The home screen will show you a list of current announcements for today, as well as staff birthdays that are coming up this week. Below, you will find a list of all of the Software for Schools updates that have recently come out. Going to the Announcements tab is where you'll go to create and manage all of your announcements. Here you can see a list of all announcements in the system. By default, you will see all announcements that are for today only. The filter will allow you to quickly switch between today's announcements, announcements scheduled for tomorrow, Monday, anything in the future, all announcements, and ones that need to be approved. The second filter will allow you to narrow down announcements by groups, which are custom lists created and managed by your school. Finally, if an announcement was marked inactive, you can view inactive announcements from here. To download your announcements into PDF or Excel, the icons over here on the right will allow you to export them out. To show more than 10 announcements on a single page, you can adjust that from here. To create a new announcement, click the Create Announcement button here in the top right corner. Simply put in the title, start date, end date, choose a group, then choose the option for how it will be displayed on the public calendar. You can either choose for it to show up every day, the first day, the last day, or not at all. Finally, you can create your announcement and then click OK when you're done. You can always edit announcements by clicking on the Edit button from here. One of my favorite tricks is to reuse announcements from the past. So when recreating an announcement from prior years, you can search all announcements, do a quick search by name, edit the announcement, make small little updates and change the date, and reuse old announcements so you don't have to write them over and over again every year. If you read your announcements over the loudspeaker, you can click on the Read Announcements button, which will be categorized by the groups that you've set them. Finally, email announcements allows you to create and send the current day announcements out with a custom message. We also have the option to automatically send out the announcements daily, which can be done through the Configure option. The calendar view is a great way to view all of your announcements in one view so you can see when they're starting and when they're ending. Clicking on the title of any announcement allows you to edit that announcement. If you need additional help, you can always access our help documents from the help icon over here on the left-hand side of the page, which covers all the basics about using announcements for schools. We truly hope you enjoy using our product.